In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. This guide will take you through a series of steps that are simple to follow, helping you easily navigate ClickUp and filter through your tasks efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for ClickUp in your preferred search engine. Once on the home page, you'll want to look for the login button and click on it. After entering your credentials, you'll gain access to your ClickUp workspace. Next, navigate to the specific list, folder, or space where your tasks are housed. This might be different for each user depending on how your workspace is organized. Choose the location that contains the tasks you wish to filter through. Once you've reached the right section, find and select the list view from the available options. This view will be integral as it allows you to see and manage your tasks in an orderly fashion. Now, look for the filter option, which is usually located above your list of tasks. Clicking on filter will open a new menu where you can customize what tasks are displayed. In this menu, click on Status to adjust which tasks appear based on their completion state. You will want to select an option that indicates completed or closed tasks. Generally, this is done by choosing Closed from the available options. With Closed selected, click Confirm to apply the filter to your tasks. This action will adjust the display, showing you only those tasks that have been marked as completed. It's a useful way to ensure that you're focusing on tasks that have been finalized without distraction from ongoing or upcoming ones. If you'd like another quick method to find completed tasks, consider utilizing the search bar at the top of the ClickUp interface. Here you can type keywords related to completed tasks, narrow your search criteria, and uncover specific items that match your query. For those who prefer using the board view, ClickUp offers a flexible alternative for visualizing completed tasks. To do this, locate the filter button once again, click on Status, and select Closed. This setup is particularly helpful if you like a more visual representation of task progress, giving you another perspective on your completed work. Remember, understanding how to effectively use these tools in ClickUp not only aids in tracking progress, but also enhances overall productivity. By regularly checking completed tasks, you gain insights into your efficiency and can strategize future workflows more effectively. I hope this guide has helped you navigate viewing completed tasks in ClickUp, and don't hesitate to explore additional features within ClickUp that may cater to your specific project management needs.